All right, greetings, YouTube. So, Beautiful Mind here. We're just getting out of Calculus for Business, and I kind of got stuck on this question. Um, so I kind of did a little digging and kind of got to the bottom of it. Let's take some notes here. So let me get a copy. Hopefully, I've been running into like some technical issues. It's kind of been running amok on things. I just did this one successfully, so we're gonna try to walk through it. We're getting a copy of the question. Again, hopefully we don't have any cuts, any technical issues. Okay. All right. So for part A, right, it says a painting firm contracts to paint the exterior of a larger water tank in the shape of a half dome. The radius of the tank is measured to be 140 feet with a tolerance of plus or minus 9 inches or plus or minus 0.75 feet. The formula for the surface area of the hemisphere is that. Use 3.14 as pi. Each pan of paint costs $40 and covers 300 square feet. Okay. So then for part A, calculate dA. So our area is given as 2 pi r squared. So if we want the derivative of area with respect to the radius, the 2 comes down, we get 4 pi r. So then our dA ends up being 4 pi r dr. All right? Okay. So our dA ends up being a 4. Now pi, we said we're going to use 3.14. The radius is 140 feet. And our dr, that's where the tolerance comes in. So we want it in terms of feet, which is plus or minus 0.75. Okay. So then we're just going to multiply that out to calculate our dA. 4 times 3.14 times 140 times 0.75. Okay. 1318.8 right here. So let's go 1318.8 square feet. Okay. So then the painters, how many cans of paint? So if we're working with 1318.8. Each can of paint covers 300 square feet. So 4 times 3, so 5. So goes 4 times 3 would be 1,200, but that's not enough to cover everything. So if we said 5 times 3 would be 1,500. So it looks like 5 cans of paint total to cover everything. And then if each can of paint is $40, 5 times 4 is 20, so $200. $200. Okay? Yeah. All right. So with that, we'll end the session here. And now from one beautiful mind to another, take care and peace.